Elon Musk has said that he has a super bad feeling about the U.S. economy, signing off 10%. You say Elon Musk about his feeling about the economy. Jamie Dimon has said similar things.
Well, let me tell you, while Elon Musk is talking about that, Ford is increasing their investment overwhelmingly. I think Ford is increasing the investment in building new electric vehicles, 6,000 new employees, union employees, I might add, in the Midwest. The former Chrysler Corporation, Stellantis, they are also making similar investments in electric vehicles. Intel is adding 20,000 new jobs for making computer chips. You know, lots of luck on this trip to the moon.
What is the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy, Hold, Sell. Hope, of course, you're all well. It's been pretty much a week since I last recorded a video. It's the longest I've went through, nearly over 18 months doing this. It was a nice break. As you can see, still got some of the birthday celebration memorabilia up. I had my mother and father's 60th birthdays. I planned them both on Friday and Saturday. And these are some of the videos. This is my house. We got an ice cream van in for the family, just little things like this for the summer for the kids. Out my back, you know, thankfully the sun came out, we got a singer in, he was very good. Shout out to Scott. And we were just, you know, it's just a lovely day. There's my mother there, very happy, my kids. Some of the family here, yes, all green, rolling it out. The weather was great. My mother, my wife. And then my dad's birthday, it was the next day. He's a big local football fan. We got him the whole Irish League Cup that they won that year. Good times, plenty of the good family members, some members coming in from England and stuff. And we all got to have a great day, and again the weather was good. To say I'm exhausted is an understatement, and to also add to the mix, my daughter is sick and I have spent the whole night with her and she vomited on me twice. So I'm in good nick. I'm in good shape, but I'm back. So we had the Queen's Jubilee on Thursday and Friday. A lot of people on the channel will know that I have a leverage position in Tesla, trading in and out of it, and I was delighted on Wednesday to see the Tesla went up. I was going to be making good coin, and then Thursday, the markets weren't open on Thursday and Friday on the leverage positions. Another reason why these trading 212 positions are really, really difficult at times to be trading with, but I was hoping, all being well, come Monday, the stock would open, and then Elon tweeted that he's cutting 10% of the workforce. A lot of panic, a lot of people freaking out. We were chatting about it in the Discord briefly, as much as I could be. People were messaging me, direct messaging me saying, what's happening to Tesla? What should I do? Should I sell? Ultimately, no is the answer. You should not be selling anything, and there's nothing to be worried about. And again, if you're long holes, you should do plenty of due diligence. You should also have faith and understanding. So when things like this come out, you don't panic, you know you're always in control. So as much as it was a pain, and I was very unfortunate that the UK markets leverage positions weren't open to allow me to adjust, I've had to open up today and take the pain. But thankfully, with the rise that it had and the pain that came, it's pretty much opened up to where it was sort of last Wednesday. So it is what it is, and we're going to digest why I'm not worried about this in today's video.
Lots of luck on this trip to the moon.
So that was a response from Biden. I actually thought that was pretty good by Biden, but Tesla and Elon Musk especially is playing a bit of a game here. He's obviously putting on fears out there. There is issues with Tesla maybe not getting enough government backing, and SpaceX has been awarded the deal from NASA, so that's what Biden was sort of saying at the end. It wasn't just a bit of a dig. He was sort of saying, you know, good luck with the moon thing, because they have been awarded that, but that has nothing to do with Tesla. Tesla unfortunately have decided to cut back, and that is a negative statement, and that is why the stocks pulled back. As we know, it's no stock likes uncertainty, and that was an uncertain kind of out of nowhere news by Elon that was tweeted out. Obviously, I was doing my due diligence today, and I came across Tesla Daily.
Tesla had 110,000 jobs back in May. So Tesla this year has already grown their employee count by over 10,000 jobs, and here we're talking about cutting probably less than 5,000.
So as you can see there, we have increased our staff, and we will continue to increase the staff. And if you actually, that 10% decrease makes it look like, oh my God, look, we're going to get rid of all these staff. Well, look, this is the Elon Musk tweet that came out. Tesla will be reducing salaried headcount by 10% as we have become more overstaffed in many areas. Note, this does not apply to anyone actually building cars, battery packs, installing solar. Hourly headcount will increase. All people outside of that, which is obviously not good to see any sort of job losses, but it's kind of massaging. It's kind of a game that's being played by Elon, in my opinion. Maybe it's whether they're trying to get more grants, or perhaps it's this, put into the Discord by Stonks to the Moon. Elon Musk loves playing games. I have said it before, and we have said it many times on this channel. He loves loves to play games. We've covered it on the channel, the types of games that he likes to play. He's constantly playing 4D chess. It's all to do with 420. That's why his Twitter bid was 420 and all this kind of thing. I will say it again, he is sitting in his tower giggling at the chaos he has created. He says he has a super bad feeling about the economy on the June the 3rd. The exact birthday of the character McLovin in the film Superbad was about a couple of guys partying before they split and go different colleges. If the cryptic message plays out, he will announce stock split on the June the 18th. This is the issue date of McLovin's fake ID. New share price will occur on August 17th, the movie's release date. There's a bit of a theory there. Who knows? We've seen there loads of people's different cryptic tweets. People can go into the rabbit hole even further. Ultimately, the only person that will know will be Elon. But I am not worried. I have said, there's even in this group, people saying, John, a bit of a pattern of, God, I couldn't go below 700, could it? Sort of said, well, but it was the week prior. It was, it was down as low as 670, and I'm saying go to 200, go to 100, go to $10 for all I care, because I know where this stock's going and I have full conviction in it. Short-term gains, yes, would be nice, of course, but ultimately we always want to try and make money, swing trades. But the reason I have taken so much money off the table on all these different type of stocks that I've had, and I'm trying to mostly just play long/swing trade in Tesla now, is because if worse comes to worse and something like this comes back or the markets pull back, I am more than happy. I would rather put all my money in Tesla than any other stock. So rightly or wrongly, I'm trying to swing it. 3 different positions in Tesla. And some of them will be swing trades, some of them will be more longer holds, but ultimately if it all ends up being long holds, so be it. I'm more than content averaging into Tesla. We also had news that came out during the week of this Tesla AI Day pushed back to September 3rd, as we may have an Optimus prototype working by then. Again, uncertainty. The market wants to be baking an AI Day, the things like the full self-driving. People want to have more update on that. So when that's getting pushed back a month, that's a negative thing, and the stock rightly so pulled back. But the key thing is here, they may have an Optimus prototype working. This is another bow in the arrow of Tesla. This is going to be the future. This is going to be robots doing sort of meaningless tasks that people are bored of. And especially speaking for myself, who if anyone has me on Instagram will have seen I've been using my robot to clean my windows. I have my robot in the garden, which has made appearances in several of my videos, and I have my robot that does all the cleaning. I am all about robots, and as soon as one of these are available within the UK at a reasonable enough price, you best believe I will be purchasing one. So I'm super excited to see something like this. I'm more than happy to wait for AI Day to be delayed by a month if it's going to be bringing Optimus prototype potentially on the cards. It's all about the long term. Short term, these aren't good things that have come out, but the long term, it's all part of the game, and I am not worried in any way about Tesla. So let's just have a look at how Tesla has performed. Tesla at one period was up nearly 10% on the week, which was going great, and then the news unfortunately came out, and surprise, surprise, we then have seen a sell-off of about 11% from the highs to the lows, with the previous day being brutal of 9%. But look, all of a sudden we have over 3.5% in a pre-market. The markets were only open in the UK on Wednesday, so in terms of me, I have only really seen a 4% pullback, which is leveraged, only 2 times leveraged, so that's 8% pullback. But then in the pre-markets, I have a 4% rise nearly, so I'm pretty much no worse off. All this craziness has happened in between then. Yes, good opportunity for a swing trade to be able to take some profits, but it is what it is. And the market sentiment looks quite good. I'm still quite maybe bullish in terms of a short-term run here, so we'll see what goes. I'm backing that, and if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but I'm backing it. And let's just see. We did this here. This isn't real proper TA, by the way. This was just, I just drew this here as an example of the kind of the way I see it going. We will be monitoring throughout these levels, price levels, and as it goes, we'll be adjusting our stop losses and stuff to suit. We can see here we were looking good. We did get up to this support level, and then it sold off. Would it have perhaps sold off anyway because of that support level? Who knows? But it went down, and again, we bounced off this level and went up. So we are very much in this channel. For me, personally speaking, I would have been taking profits in and around this 780 level, but I didn't get the opportunity to. If we push through, I would be loading up and going more bullish then, and we'll be looking for in and around sort of a 860 kind of number. I will, of course, keep you updated on the channel and especially in my Discord. You can also see here the RSI is starting to look quite bullish, going upwards, which is a nice trend. And we can see here that the MACD, though, unfortunately is crossing down. Perhaps just a wee bit overbought. We can see a bit of the momentum coming out of it. But again, with that sort of fundamental up and down news that's came out, it's very hard to call what way this is going to go. But I would say that we will stay within this channel until we make a decision to go over to the upside or to the downside. And obviously we'll be hoping for the upside in the short term. So that is the video. I hope you have found it informative. And if you're interested in knowing more about what Elon Musk's vision of the future is, I'd check out this video, guys. It's a good one. I'll catch you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day. Please like and subscribe to help you support the channel. Peace.